and welcome. In today's fast-evolving IT landscape, businesses are increasingly relying on AIOps, artificial intelligence for IT operations, to improve system reliability, predict potential failures, and automate decision-making. But what's next for AIOps? How can AI take IT operations to the next level? That's exactly what we'll explore in this tutorial on advanced topics in AIOps. In this tutorial, we will cover 1. AI for predictive and prescriptive analytics, understanding how AI analyzes data to anticipate and resolve IT issues. 2. Using AI to predict potential failures before they occur, how predictive analytics prevents downtime and enhances system resilience. 3. Prescriptive analytics for automating decision-making, the role of AI in automating IT operations and self-healing systems. 4. Ethical considerations in AIOps, addressing challenges around AI bias, privacy, and governance in IT. 5. The future of AIOps, exploring how AIOps is evolving to become smarter and more autonomous. 6. Emerging trends in AIOps, autonomous operations, 5G, and edge computing, how these technologies are reshaping IT operations. 7. Challenges and opportunities for AIOps in the coming years, the road ahead for businesses adopting AI-driven IT operations. Let's dive in. Before we talk about AI-driven automation, let's first understand how AI analyzes IT data. AIOps uses two critical techniques. Predictive analytics analyzes past data to identify patterns and forecast potential system failures before they happen. Prescriptive analytics takes it a step further by recommending or even automatically executing corrective actions. Think of it like having a smart assistant for your IT infrastructure, one that not only alerts you about issues but also suggests or applies fixes before problems escalate. Imagine a large e-commerce platform handling millions of transactions per day. What if a system failure could be prevented before it disrupts sales? That's where AI-driven failure prediction comes in. AI analyzes logs, metrics, and performance trends to detect unusual behavior. It identifies early warning signs of a potential failure, such as increasing CPU usage or slow database queries. Alerts and automated actions are triggered to prevent downtime. This approach not only saves businesses millions in lost revenue but also enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring seamless service availability. Now, let's take it a step further. What if AI could not only predict failures but also resolve them automatically? That's what prescriptive analytics does. AI-driven automation identifies the best course of action to fix an issue. For example, if an application server is running out of memory, AI can automatically allocate more resources or restart the service. Self-healing systems reduce human intervention and improve operational efficiency. With prescriptive analytics, IT teams move from a reactive approach to a proactive, AI-driven strategy. As AI takes on more responsibility in IT operations, we must consider some important ethical questions. 1. Data privacy. AI relies on vast amounts of system and user data. How do we ensure sensitive information is protected? 2. Bias in AI models. AI learns from past data, but what if that data contains biases? How do we ensure fair decision-making? 3. Accountability. If AI makes an incorrect decision that causes a system outage, who is responsible? 4. Impact on employment. Automation can replace repetitive tasks but also create new roles in AI oversight. Organizations must invest in upskilling employees to adapt to AI-driven workflows. 5. Ethical use of automation. Some critical decisions require human intervention, for example, safety-related incidents. Establish clear guidelines on which decisions should involve AI and which need human oversight. 6. Long-term societal impact. Large companies may gain AI advantages, leaving smaller businesses at risk of falling behind. Addressing these concerns is crucial for building trustworthy and responsible AI-driven IT systems. AIOps is evolving rapidly, and businesses are looking for ways to make their IT systems more autonomous. But what's next? AI will become more context-aware, understanding not just system logs but also business impact. AI-driven workflows will integrate seamlessly across IT environments. IT teams will focus on strategic tasks rather than manual issue resolution. AIOps is moving towards a future where IT operations will be largely automated, requiring minimal human intervention. Now, let's explore some exciting trends that are shaping the future of AIOps. Autonomous IT operations, AI-driven automation that fully manages system health without human oversight. 5G and edge computing. With real-time data processing at the edge, AIOps must adapt to decentralized environments. AI-enhanced IT security, threat detection and response will become more sophisticated with AI-powered cybersecurity. These innovations will redefine how IT operations function, making them faster, smarter, and more resilient. Despite its benefits, AIOps still faces challenges that businesses must address, like 1. Integration complexity. Connecting AIOps with existing IT systems can be difficult. 2. Data overload. Managing massive volumes of log data requires advanced AI models. 3. Skill gaps. IT teams need specialized knowledge to implement and manage AIOps solutions. However, as AI technology advances, we'll see more intuitive and accessible AIOps platforms, opening new opportunities for businesses of all sizes. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review what we covered in this tutorial. 1. AI for predictive and prescriptive analytics helps IT teams anticipate and prevent issues. 2. AI-driven failure prediction ensures proactive system management. 3. Prescriptive analytics automates decision-making to improve efficiency. 4. Ethical considerations in AIOps highlight the importance of responsible AI practices. 5. The future of AIOps points to fully autonomous IT operations. 6. Emerging trends like 5G, edge computing, and AI-driven security are shaping the industry. 7. Challenges remain, but AIOps continues to evolve, making IT operations more intelligent and cost-effective. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.